With a unique mix-proof valve from Alfa Laval, also known as a double seat valve, you're able to stream two different products or CIP fluids through the same valve at the same time. The valve is spillage-free during operation and is designed for easy service and maintenance. The unique mix-proof valve from Alfa Laval is designed with user flexibility in mind. The valves can be tailored to the exact features needed for your specific application. Maintenance videos exist for two different valve configurations, seat clean and high clean. Refer to the video with the valve configuration closest to the configuration of the valve you've installed. As a general rule, we recommend the high clean video for valves with external CIP connections, also known as spiral clean. Seat clean is for valves with seat lift and without external CIP. This maintenance video is based on the standard configuration seat clean. The box is designed for intermediate storage of the valve parts. Read the instructions on top of the box. Remove the cardboard and lift out the valve. Remember to lift correctly or use a lifting tool. The box can be used for intermediate storage to protect the valve parts while the valve body is installed. Read the enclosed manual carefully before servicing the valve. To service the valve, the following tools are necessary: spanners, sizes 10, 13, 16 and 17, torque wrench 5 to 35, Newton meter with 17 mm fork, forks for torque wrench sizes 19, 27 or 32 depending on valve size, Allen key 5 by 100, an angular tool for removing O-rings, a small screwdriver, a small knife, square cross wrench size 8, mounting tool for mounting of plug seals, lubrication for product wetted parts, Paraleak GTE 703 or similar lubricant. We recommend that you make a support for the valve to use during service. Contact your sales team for specifications for the tool. Supply compressed air to air connection 2 main movement. Be careful not to cut your fingers in the ports when supplying air. Loosen the upper clamp. Remove the clamp. Release compressed air. Lift out the valve body. Loosen and remove lower clamp. Remove the lower sealing element. Supply compressed air to air connection 1 upper seat lift. Loosen the lower plug while counter-holding the inner stem with a size 16 spanner. Remove the lower plug and release compressed air. Remove the stopper from the coupling system. Pull down the lock and remove the clamps from the spindle liner. Pull out the upper plug and upper sealing element. Remove the coupling system and the lock. Remove the upper sealing element. Remove the lip seal and the O-ring. Remove the lip seal. Cut the seal ring and remove it. Pull out the lip seal and the O-ring. Remove the O-ring on top of the lower plug. Cut the seal ring and remove it. Empty the bag with the service kit and check the content is correct. Refer to the manual before reassembling the valve. Carefully place the O-ring by pulling it gently into position. Do not roll or twist it. Place the lip seal. Lubricate the lip seal and the O-ring with paraleak grease. Mount the lip seal on the upper sealing element. Fit the O-ring by gently pulling it into position. Do not roll or twist it. Lubricate the lip seal and the O-ring with paraleak grease. Place the lip seal on the upper plug. Lubricate the lip seal. Lubricate the seal ring. Examine the seal ring carefully to be sure to turn the flat side of the seal ring upwards when the plug is placed as shown. To secure correct placing of the seal ring, it is important to use the mounting tool. Place the tool parts. Clamp the parts together. Supply and release compressed air and turn the plug 90 degrees. Repeat this action twice. Remove air and tool parts. Release air at 3 different positions of the circumference. Inspect that the seal is placed correctly. Fit the upper sealing element on the upper plug. Lubricate and fit the O-ring on top of the lower plug. Lightly lubricate the seal ring with either grease or ordinary soap and position it. Use a screwdriver to rotate along the circumference to fix the seal ring. Place the tool parts. Clamp the parts together. Supply and release compressed air. Remove tool parts. Gently fix the 4 outsticking points of the seal ring with a screwdriver. Secure that the 4 outsticking points are pressed in correctly, either by finger or by rolling the plug on a flat surface. Place the lock and the coupling system. Mount the upper plug and upper sealing element. Place the clamps while making sure that you position the hole correctly. Push up the lock. Fit and tighten the stopper. Fit the lower plug and tighten slightly. Supply compressed air at air connection 1 upper seat lift. Tighten the lower plug with a torque wrench at 35 Newton meter while counter-holding the inner stem with a size 16 spanner. Release compressed air. Position the upper sealing element. Supply compressed air at air connection 2 main movement. Fit the valve body. Place the upper clamp. Tighten the clamp with maximum 10 Newton meter. Do not over-tighten. Fit the lower sealing element on the valve body. Place the lower clamp. Tighten the clamp with maximum 10 Newton meter. Over-tightening will cause damage to the clamp. Release air. Be careful not to cut your fingers in the port.